Welcome to the another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn how to access a string. You can access the characters of a string by referring its index number, and index number are inside the square brackets. If I create a string name and assign a text dir, so if I want to access the only d from the string, so I will write its index number with the variable name. So d is the first character, and the first character's index number is always 0 because index number always start with 0. So if I write cout name and inside the square brackets I write 0, which means it will print the d, and if I write 1 in the square brackets, it will access the e, and here the output is d. Index always start with 0. 0 is the first character and 1 is the second character. D is at index number 0 and R is at index number 3. D, E, A, R. D is at 0 number, index number, and E is 1, A is 2, and R is at index number 3. You can also change the value of a specific character in a string by referring index number and use single quotes, because when you are using only one character you have to write in the single quote. So I have variable string name and its text is near. So if I want to change the n with a d, I will change this by assigning the d in the index number 0. So I will write name is the variable name, and in the inside square brackets I will write index number. N is at index number 0, so I have written the 0, and equal to, it means I am assigning the value, it is d. So this will assign the value d or text to the name string at the index number 0. So you can also check the output, it will be dear instead of near. So let's do this in the program. If I have variable name string name dear, and I want to access the only first character of string, so I will write variable name, and inside the square bracket I will write its index number. So d is at index number 0, so we'll write 0. So let's run this. You can see the output is d because I have accessing only the character which is at index number 0. And if I write 3, it will access the character which is at number 3, and R is at index number 3. And as I told you, you can also change the character of any string. So I will change the only first character. So I will write index number 0 and assign the value d. So it will change the n with the d. So you can see it has changed the first character.